Good morning, good evening, or good afternoon, depending on when you've decided to click on this video. It is your host, British Bullion Bars and Coins, back at it again. Today, we'll be discussing 5 reasons why you should consider investing in platinum. You might be curious to what platinum even is. Platinum is one of the world's rarest precious metals. Its name comes from platina, which means little silver in Spanish. Platinum has unusual qualities. For starters, it's even more dense than gold. And if you didn't know, gold is more dense than silver. It's a more greyish tinge to silver, and it is noticeable. And speaking about silver, in the corner of this video, you should be able to find 5 reasons why you should invest in silver in 2021. Let's get back to the video. Reason number 1, platinum costs £775 per troy ounce, whereas gold costs £1,275 per troy ounce. And I'll tell you why that's an important factor. Platinum is 30 times rarer than gold. 30 times. And it's cheaper to buy. This should just be one video, one reason why you should buy platinum. Not 5, that one reason enough, that's it, done. Click, end the video, goodbye. See you later, buy some platinum. I'm only messing. But anyway, platinum has a widespread of application. It's being used in developing technology. So the reason number 2, it's being used in future technology, being developed by scientists across the world in emerging technologies. Reason number 3, men have mined for gold for thousands of years, and it's been used for thousands of years. This is not the case with our pal, little silver over here. This is because of its 3,000 degrees melting point. We've been unable to refine it. For the past 250 years, we've only been able to refine it. And also due to its extreme rarity, there's never really been any found until recent days. And reason number 4, most of the world's platinum deposits are actually located in Russia and South Africa. And with the coronavirus forcing these miners to a standstill, this will eventually mean demand will outstrip supply. Which, if you didn't know, will absolutely force the valuation of platinum to go to the moon. And reason number 5, the value of platinum directly correlates to the performance of the wider economy. Meaning, if the economy is on a down, later when, for example, demand of vehicles rises, so will the spot price of platinum. If you didn't know, platinum is mainly used in cars as catalytic converters to help remove emissions from the environment. But it's also used to a lesser extent in jewellery and bullion. Why this is important is because, let's just say, right, because when you invest in anything, you should have buy and sell rules, yeah? So let's, for example, say the automotive industry is down. So one of my buy rules is when the automotive industry isn't performing as well as it should be due to, let's say, the coronavirus, you pour your money into it because it's on sale. It's cheaper than gold. It's got an easier entry level. And when the economy begins to pick up again, which it will, so will the rise of platinum. And you know, to be honest, platinum is the rarer metal out of the three. You got your silver and gold, and then it's platinum. Platinum is priced below gold. So all these things, it doesn't make any sense to me. I hope you've learnt something new from this video. If you have, leave a like and let me know your comments. Are you bullish on platinum or are you bearish on platinum? Am I wrong? If so, correct me. And if you've made it this far in the video, thank you very much for listening. Subscribe if you want to hear more tips and tricks about precious metals. I'll just do a little beauty shot of the platinum. Beautiful, beautiful bar of platinum. Pampswiss, Swedish. Beautiful piece. In case you're curious and you're living in the United Kingdom, you can purchase bars like this from Bullion by post.com or Atkinson's Bullion. Those are the two that I use. They're great. But anyway, that's my take on it. And I'll see you all next time. Bye bye.